Good morning and welcome dear students in online English video class. Today we are going to have chapter number 7, that is noun possessive form. So let us begin the class with noun possessive form. What is noun possessive form? There is a question, okay? As it is very clear with the name that noun and possessive form, okay? So student, just have your mind clear that it is somewhere related to noun, and how a noun is going to have a possessive form we will study here. Let us talk on definition first. Possessive nouns show ownership or possession. Possessive comes from the same root as possession, something you own. Clear? It's very easy to understand that it is related to something on which there is your possession. Clear? On which that something you own. See example. Saurav's cat has hurt its left leg quite badly. Okay, so you can see that there is two noun. The first noun is Saurav and second noun is cat. Clear? So that possessive noun is somewhere talking about the another noun is given in the sentence. Clear, no? So how Saurav is related to cat and how cat is related to Saurav, here it is talking. So whose cat is that? So it is a cat of Saurav, है Saurav's cat. So there is a right, there is a possession of Saurav on cat. Clear? So that is why we can say that now the word Saurav, as Saurav is a noun, okay, and cat is also a noun. So how one noun has a right to another noun? Okay, when we want to show any possession of one noun to another, then we need a format of possessive noun. Clear? We will later discuss how to form a possessive form. First, okay, so I hope that possessive noun is clear to you. That possessive noun is a noun that shows a possession and talking about another noun is given in the sentence. Okay, now let us see forming the possessive. How we have to form it, we will see here. The possessive form is used with the nouns referring to people, groups of people, countries and animals. Okay, that as I told earlier, that it is somewhere related to another noun as it is mentioned as a subject there in a sentence. It shows a relationship belonging between one thing to another, as I explained you. Okay, to form the possessive noun, first of all we have to add apostrophe and then after s to the noun. Okay, if the noun is plural or already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after s. Okay, it says that first of all what we have to do, first of all somewhere you have to use noun. Okay, in noun you have to use you have to plus apostrophe and then after s. Clear? That we are talking about singular noun. Okay, what about plural? Let us see. When we have to use plural, if the noun is plural and already ends in s, we will just add an apostrophe. Okay, let us see example. You will be getting more. The car of John, in possessive form we will see John's car. Clear? So see that here the John is noun, then after we use possessive and then after we use s. Okay, so like that we can make a format of a possessive form. Okay, see the second one, that is in form of plural. The room of the girls. Okay, so the girls room we will write in possessive form, the girls room. See that girl the girls is already ended with s. Okay, so here we will only what put, we will only put apostrophe, not s. Okay, so the plural noun which already ends with s, we will only put there apostrophe. Clear? Now see more. Clothes for men. So here the answer will be men's clothes. The boat of the sailors. Answer will be the sailor's boat. I just want to say you one thing more, that see that men. Okay. This men here, it is not ends in s, so that is why we have to use here apostrophe and then s. Clear? But see the word sailors. Okay, sailors, sailors. Okay, here the sailor is ends in s, so we only put apostrophe after it. Clear? I hope that this concept is clear to you. Okay, now let us see further. Basically, it can be categorized into two types, that is the singular possessive and the plural possessive. Now let us see some points in singular possessive. Okay, first is add apostrophe s to singular words to show possession. Okay, see father's colleagues, here noun plus apostrophe s, as father is another noun and then colleagues are another, then car's engine as the same. Okay, then second says if proper noun ends in s, and s can take either only the apostrophe or an apostrophe with s. Okay, see here what it says, that if any proper noun, okay, that ends with s, so in that case we can use either apostrophe or apostrophe s. Let me make you clear you. Charles sneakers. Okay, so here the word Charles is a proper noun that is already ends with s, so we can write the Charles in that form. Clear? Okay, now here the word is anise. Let me make it clear. It is anise. Okay, so you can see that here the word anise is also ended with s, but we have not used here apostrophe and then s. Okay, either we used only apostrophe after s, so in that case both the form we can use with proper noun. Okay, now let us see plural possessive. With the plural nouns that ends in an s, we only use the apostrophe with an extra s, as I explained. See the boys in school, so we will just use after s and apostrophe will be boys plus apostrophe. Then sisters, new villa, we will write sister and then after apostrophe. Clear? Okay, just like singular possessive, plural possessive that do not ends in s, add s, as I already showed one example to you. See that the children's homework and women's duty. Children is not ended with s, so we will use apostrophe then after s, and women is also not ended with s, so here also we will use apostrophe and then s. Okay, okay, see the next point. With if two people own something together, we use an s after the second person only. Just remember, here we use s with the second person. Clear? See example, Joe and Mary's car is new. Both Joe and Mary own the car. Okay, so this car is belonging to Joe and Mary both, so we have to use here apostrophe with the second person, that is given as Mary. Clear? Now see the next point. If two people own the separate thing, add s apostrophe s to each name. See how Laurie and Megan's nail are painted at the same color. Okay, each girl has her own nail. Okay, talking about two different nails, that is belongs to Laurie and then after Maggie. That is why this point is very clear. I hope that if two people own two separate thing, okay, the nails are separate, that is not belonging to a same single person. Okay, there are two person and the things also two. Clear? So that is why we just used two times we just use two times apostrophe. Clear? Okay. In compound nouns, only the last word has the possessive form. See that in the last word we have only possessive form. Clear? So I hope this is clear to you. Now see the functions of possessive form. Okay. The apostrophe with s at the end of nouns does not always show ownership. It also has other function. A few of these are given below. It is not only show the relationship and ownership, but also something else. Let us see what. So first of all, it's saying that it is used to show a relationship. How relationship is to be shown by this? Let us see example. My father's colleagues. Okay, so this is a relation between father and colleague. So it is used to show a relation between two nouns. Clear? Now then after farmer's wives. Okay, so here farmer plus wife, there is a relation between these two people. Clear? It is also used to show a quality. Okay, the policeman's courage. Okay, the word courage is used as a quality. Clear? Now the little girl's smile, that is again a quality. Now let us talk on the other part. To show a part of something. Okay, it is also used to show a part of something. Part of something. See the example. The left eye's cornea. Okay, so this cornea is a part of the eyes. Okay, so in that case it is used to show a part of something. The cat's. Okay, it is not cat, it is car. Let me make it correct. It is car. Okay, the car's front wheel. So that wheel is also related to cars. It is a part of car, so that is why it is used by apostrophe s. Clear? Then the next says to show a descriptive aspect. It is also used to show a descriptive aspect. Example, children's footwear. Okay, so that this footwear is related to children. It is a descriptive aspect of children, that how the footwear is related to children, and it is describes that it is belongs to them. And the same women's accessories. Okay, so that is the descriptive of woman, description of woman. Now let us talk on exercise. Okay, exercise is based on this chapter, so I am going to solve it. Now exercise A, rewrite these phrases by using the apostrophe in the correct place. Okay, so the first sentence say, the flat owned by Mr. Modi. Answer will be Mr. Modi's flat. If we are going to convert it into possessive form, it will be Mr. Modi's flat. Okay. Number 2, the cathedral named after Saint Paul. Answer will be Saint Paul's Cathedral. Number 3, the mineral resources of India. Answer, India's mineral resources. Okay. Number 4, the patients of Dr. Richards. Here the answer will be Dr. Richards' patients. Number 5, the promotion of my son-in-law. Answer will be my son-in-law's promotion. See that this is the compound noun, and in the last word we have to use apostrophe and s. Number 6, the defeat of the candidates. Answer will be the candidates' defeat. Number 7, the baby of Benny and June. Answer will be Benny and June's baby. See, the baby belongs to both the person, so we will have to use apostrophe with the second one. Clear? Number 8, the bicycle belonging to Bess. Answer will be Bess bicycle. Number 9, the salary of the 3 months. The salary for the 3 months. Answer will be 3 months salary. Number 10, the sons of Mr. Singh and Mr. Kapoor. Answer, Mr. Singh and Mr. Kapoor's sons. Now let us talk on. Okay. Now exercise B. Look at the sentences given below and write down the functions of possessive form of noun. That is ownership, relationship, quality, part, and description. Now let's begin with one. The plane's left wing stopped working at the time of landing. Here the answer says it is a part of something. Now, have you seen Saran's new cell phone look very stylish. It's a ownership. Okay. Everyone noticed the speaker's nervousness from the stage. It is a quality. Number 4. A new range of men's perfume was launched with different. Number 4 is number 5. Renu's best friend Akhil has gone to UK for studies. Number 5 is relationship. Number 6. The little girl's brother was a tall boy 8 years of age. Number 6 is relationship. Number 7. Rishi's watch was lost in a crowded cafe. 8 is Number 7 is ownership. Number 8. The car's rear tire went flat just it started. 8 is apart. Number 9. The child's happy face was all the satisfaction Paul needed for his good deed. It's a quality. And the last is the girl's beautiful writing delighted the teacher. It's a quality. So now this exercise is finished. Now let's go to exercise number C. Exercise C says use the possessive forms of nouns in the place of the italicized phrase in the sentence. Please open your book, page number 40, and then try to get it. Avinash hurled the book belonging to Som across the room. So here the answer will be. Let me erase this. Due to time it came. So here the answer of number 1 is here. Avinash hurled Som's book across the room. Number 2. The jewelry of the princess was stolen. Here the answer says the princess jewelry was stolen. Number 3. The bags of my mother-in-law went missing on the flight. Answer is number 3. Answer is, just wait. Answer number 3. Okay, answer number 3 is not here. I have to write it. Okay, just wait. Answer number 3. The 3 ladies' seats were very uncomfortable. I will write answer 3 here. Let me write it here. Answer 3. The seats of the 3 ladies. Okay, the seats of 3 ladies, that was the question. You have to write into possessive form. So that becomes the 3 ladies. Okay, that ladies is already plural, so you have to only put apostrophe. The 3 ladies' seats were very uncomfortable. The 3 ladies' seats were very uncomfortable. Okay, say that it's saying that. Okay, is there something misprint in this exercise? Let me check in new book, please. Just wait. Okay, so now it's now clear. Now number 3, the bags of my mother-in-law went missing. Now your answer is my mother-in-law's bag went missing. Number 4, the seats of the 3 ladies were very uncomfortable. Answer is the 3 ladies' seats were very uncomfortable. Number 5, the mother of the boy waited patiently outside the principal's room. Answer 5. The boy's mother waited patiently outside the principal's room. Now 7. The princess' shoe would get worn. Okay. Here the question is, the shoe of the princess would get worn out during the night long dancing. Answer 7. The princess' shoe would get worn out during the night long dances. Number 8. This ship is famous for dealing in clothes and shoes for children. Answer 8. The shop is famous for dealing in children's clothes and shoes. It's a shop. Okay. Number 9. The warden of the hostel for girls was very strict, whereas the warden of the hostel for boys was quite lenient. Number 9. The warden of girls' hostel was very strict, whereas the guardian of boys' hostel was quite lenient. And the last, the mother of Sarah welcomes all her friends. Answer: Sarah's mother welcomes all her friends. So, dear students, in this way we have completed all the exercises, and then after the function of possessive form, and of course different points of possessive forms of plural and then singular, and then after definition. And in this way we have completed this full chapter. I hope you have clear about this chapter. Till the next class, thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.